Hello and welcome you once again in the new session of English language. And today's topic is noun and number and the gender. Number means singular or plural, countable or uncountable. Gender shows about the masculine and feminine gender, a common gender and a neuter gender. It's a countable or uncountable noun. Singular when we talk about a single things, single objects, on plural, see here the word a dog, and in the plural it will be a dogs. Now, here are some examples are given here. How we add only the s. It's a girl. In a singular, we will add the s. It will be the girls. Ball, balls. Bottle, bottles. Apple, apples. There are some words where we have to add in a singular word to make it a plural. We have to add sh, ch, s or x by adding only es like sh dish. So es dishes. Wish will we end with the sh wishes. Match ch matches. Which witches. Then atlas, atlases. The fox end with the x, foxes. Then the words end with the o in a singular and we have to add only a s or es like volcano. It word end with the o. Es, volcanoes. Hero, es, heroes. Buffalo, buffaloes. Photo, only we have to put s, photos. Video, videos. Some of the words which are end with the f or fe, we have to write the plural will be changed into the fe or ves. So ves, see, knife, knives, it is in a plural, it will be instead of fe, it's a ves, knives. Wife, wives. Leaf, leaves. Hoof, hooves. Loaf, loaves. Then the plural of the words that end with the y are formed by changing the y into ies. See, fly, fly, the plural will be flies, flies. Spy, spies. Story, stories. Secretary, secretaries. And in some words, you will find the same singular and the same singular or plural. See like this. Deer, deer. Ship, ship. Aircraft, aircraft. Information, information. Spacecraft, singular is also a spacecraft. Plural is also the same, spacecraft. Series, series. Species, species. Hair, hair. So now, in our next page, in our exercise G, it is also said that some word from the plural making the change in the vowels only. See, F double O, vowels are F double O, T, foot, the vowels change into double E, feet. Goose, it's a geese. M-A-N, man, M-E-N, men. Woman, woman. Tooth, teeth. Okay, access, access. Mouse, mice. There are some irregular plurals are found by changing the singular form completely. Like see, singular is a child, plural is children, die, dice, ox, oxen, medium, media, person, people, cactus, cacti, and the plural compound noun is generally formed by ending s. See, like this, compound nouns are commander in chief. So, commander will be changed into a commanders, rest will be the same. Looker on, lookers on. Bird of prey, birds of prey. Daughter in law, daughters in law. Only the compound noun will be changed. So now we started with the exercises. Here, see, rewrite these sentences by changing the plural form. The witch flew on the broom. The witches flew on the brooms. Okay. The herders led the oxen to the pastures. The matches will be played next week. The dentists extracted a teeth. The receipts required a potatoes and tomatoes. Potatoes, potatoes and tomatoes. Then an eagle is a bird of prey. Eagles. So now we will write eagles are birds of prey. Now you have to fill in the blanks with the singular noun. A dash pen picture, we will write here painter, singular. An actor, a sculpture, sculpture, sculpture. A baker. Then a carpenter makes furniture. Carpenter. Then a farmer works on the farm. Here you will write the farmer. A barber cuts hair. Then 8. Oculist. 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 Check your eyes. Then a soldier. A greengrocer. A tailor. A plumber. Then 15th is a doctor. Then a mechanic. Then a butcher. A driver. A chef. Now here you can see that we have to change this in a plural form. These are the singular one and we have to change it in a plural form. So now this we have to change this into the plural form. The first one is Maninder will have visited many countries. Now you will write the countries. Then many good opportunities. The storeroom was infected with mice. It's a mouse, it's a mice. Then the fourth one will be the street was strewn with the leaves. With the leaves. Then the dentist extracted two of her teeth. Okay. Then the neighbors complained against the constant barking of our dog at night. The neighbors complained against the constant barking of the night. The rock star sang many songs. Many songs. The eighth one will be the traffic halted for a couple of minutes because of gaggle of geese. It will be the gaggle of geese. Then Mrs. Gulati's children Karan Bohra's latest movie is being made in four languages. Made in four languages. The 11th one is the farmer has a pair of oxen. Then your 12th one is four men were talking by the side of the road. Four men. And the 13th one, pastries were distributed among the students on the occasion of the Children's Day. The 15th one is boxes of chocolates were stacked on the pantry. So that's all for today's session. We will once again meet in our next session to continue this chapter. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.